Today is the first episode of Mondays with Milt. Welcome to the 100th episode of Mondays with Milt. This began almost 2 years ago when David Fishburn, our marketing manager, had this great idea of let's do a Mondays with Milt. And we've had a lot of fun doing it. So David, over the past 2 years, what would you say has been your favorite episode?
I'd say my favorite episode's got to be the roller coaster. We celebrated our 50th anniversary at a local amusement park here in Louisville. Snuck a GoPro onto the roller coaster and turned out pretty awesome.
And I think besides that, that's one of my favorite. I also really like when we baked the turkey or the pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving Day.
Yes.
So that was a lot of fun. It even confused my wife how we had that shot inside the oven of the pumpkin. So she couldn't quite figure that one out. But other than that, we've had a lot of fun doing all of the different episodes. I hope you've learned something, because most of them we are, out on the production floor looking at some things, how WireCrafters works, different processes we have, and different applications of our product. Do we have anything in store for the coming year?
I think we're going to try to have a little more fun. I think we've got some ideas in store to, maybe jump out of an airplane at some point. Maybe do some other fun things with you, Mel.
That sounds pretty good. So until then, we will see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.